point where the function f of x is not continuous, and this f of x is step of sine step x in 0 to 2 pi. See, f of x is step of sine step x in 0 to 2 pi. In 0 to 2 pi, in the sense x values are in between 0 to 2 pi. Okay, you need to take the input x from 0 to 2 pi. For different values of inputs in the place of x from 0 to 2 pi, we need to analyze this function and we need to identify a point where the function is discontinuous. And already we know that this step of something is discontinuous if the quantity inside the step is an integer. If the quantity inside the step is an integer, then what? Step of something is discontinuous. Okay, you just observe this. What I do is, yeah, see, this is 0 to 2 pi. I know in first quad, I know about sine actually. Sine in first quadrant, it is 0 to 1. The results, the outputs, the range of sin x is 0 to 1 in first quadrant. Whereas in second quadrant also it is 0 to 1. That in the sense, see, from 0 to pi, the values of sin x are from 0 to 1 only. Whereas from pi to 2 pi, that means in third and fourth quadrants, the values of sin x are negative, and in particularly its range is in between -1 to 0. See, basically sin x is from -1 to 1, and we need to split -1 to 0 region as well as 0 to 1 region. If sin values are in between -1 to 0, inputs are in third and fourth quadrants, and sin values are in 0 to 1 region where the inputs are first and second quadrants. See, here our input is step x or step x. So I need to concentrate on this step x. Okay. So this x is in between 0 to 2 pi, right? I will just break it as at a point 4. Why? Because, see, you just memorize this. 0 is 0. I think you all know that pi value is 3.14 and 2 pi value is 6.28. As I mentioned, see, if the values of sine, if the input is below this pi, always the output is in between 0 and 1. You just split from this. One thing is very clear, the values of x are 0 less than x less than 2 pi. You just split this x, that in turn represents that the values of x are in between 0 to 6.28 radians. Okay, you just split it in such a way, the values of x 0 less than x less than 4 and 4 less than x less than 6.28. See, if 0 less than x less than 4, then in this case, what you say about step x? Here you just take equal to 4 and then you just leave, see, less than 4. See, 0 less than x less than 4, in the sense step x values are 0, 1 or 2 or 3. Whereas here in this case, step x values are what? 4, 5 and 6. Since here step x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, then what you say about sine step x? Sine step x values. See, since step x is 0, 1, 2, 3, just mention about sine step x. 0, 1, 2, 3. All these numbers are less than 3.14. All these values are less than that pi. So sine step x value is in between 0 to 1 only. Whereas here sine step x is from -1 to 0. Okay. So we need to give step of sine step x. So step of sine step x value is equals to 0 in this case, whereas step of sine step x value is equals to -1 in this case, because sine of step x is in between -1 and 0, so its step value is -1. Here sine of step x is in between 0 and 1, its step value is 0, and this happens at the integral value 4, and so at x is equals to 4 we have a point of discontinuity. Okay, just have a look. At x is equals to 4 we have a point of discontinuity. At x is equals to 4, directly if you observe, see, at x is equals to 4, this is left hand limit. at x is equals to 4, this is right hand limit as well. At x is equals to 4, f of 4 is also minus 1. Since at x is equals to 4, f of 4 is minus 1, the point of discontinuity, since the question is asking us to mention the point of discontinuity, point means always x coordinate comma y coordinate, and it is 4 comma minus 1. Okay, you just have a look. If x is in between 0 to 4, step of sine step x value is 0. If x is in between 4 to 6.28, that in turn represents that 2 pi, step of sine step x, the functional value is minus 1. So at 4, left side of 4, functional value is 0. Right side of 4, functional value is minus 1. So 4 is the point of discontinuity. Okay, have a look. Again, analyze this problem in your own way. Okay, it gives you much confidence, right?